Hello, this is our learning course by example, and today is the day 20. I would like to show you how to print the table of an integer number in Java. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the Eclipse here. So here, this one is the Eclipse we are using in another video. And for now, I will go ahead to create a new class inside main package. Okay, so here I will name it either okay, table of an integer number, and I will create a main method finish button. Okay, so here I will comment out in the file here. Okay, so here when I do comment, it will be easier for checking later. Okay, cool. So here in this demonstration, I will allow the user to enter an integer positive number from the keyboard, and after that, I will print out the table of that integer number. Okay, so following my demonstration now. This is a suggestion of the tool. Okay, so now let's try to run the application. and here the message let me know I have to enter an integer positive number here. Okay, so here I will enter the 6 here, the table of 6 as below 6. Okay, and 5 cool 5 10 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45. Okay, cool. Run again. 1. Okay, so here I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video in day 20, you know how to print out the table of an integer number after you enter it from the keyboard. Okay, hope that video will helpful for you, and feel free to let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.